Here today we have a PTZ solar powered camera. And this camera is an intelligent solar energy alert PTZ camera with low energy. This camera is powered with this solar panel. And right behind the solar panel, we have 6 pieces of 18650 lithium-ion batteries loaded here. So this PTZ camera has been improved with an artificial intelligence PIR sensor. With this artificial intelligence PIR sensor, you are sure that you can only get notifications on your phone when there is only humanoid and vehicle movements. So with this camera now, you are sure that there will be no false alarms or notifications. And the camera also have an LED light that always lights up in the night. It has 2 LED lights here, and it have an infrared here. With this infrared sensor, this camera have a night vision. You can see a clear image in the night. Also with this camera, you can have a 2-way intercom communication, meaning that you can talk to someone that is at the place of this camera installation, and the person can also talk back to you. The voice is 2-way. This camera is a PTZ camera. It can rotate 360 degrees, which I'm going to show you later on. So next is behind under this camera here. The camera have a SIM slot where you can put a 4G SIM card so that you can be able to connect this camera to the internet. But if you have a Wi-Fi at home and you want to use your Wi-Fi to connect this camera to the internet, this camera is also enabled to connect you to the internet so that you can use your mobile app to watch your home remotely. And right here you have a memory card slot where you can put memory card for storage. You can also store the motions of this camera on cloud if you don't want to use the memory card to store your motions. So right now I'm going to set up this camera, so keep watching. Okay, now first of all, you open the power port. You make sure that the power is off. Now the power of this battery is off. So next thing is to connect the battery to the camera. Then you have to screw it up. So the next thing now is to insert the SIM card to the SIM slot. Then you cover this. It's very, very important to cover this against weather conditions like rain or objects entering into the So having done that, the next thing now is you can now put on the battery to power on the camera. When the battery is powered on, the camera is going to start lighting blue. Now it's steady. The blue indicator is steady. So now with this, we have to reset the camera.
System reset.
Having powered this camera on and waiting for 1 minute so that the system of the camera will boot successfully. We will go to our app here, U-Box. I already have U-Box installed from Google Play Store in my phone. Then I click on U-Box. Then I will click on this plus sign here, which means add device. Then I'll go to setup 4G device. I'm going to use setup 4G device because I have SIM card installed in this camera. I'm going to use 4G device. But if you don't have SIM card and you want to use a router, if you have one, you have to use setup Wi-Fi device. But now I'm going to use 4G device because I have SIM card in the camera.
Insert the SIM card. Install the camera, install the antenna, then power on the device. The blue LED will light up. After about 1 minute, click. Scan the QR code on the camera to connect to your phone.
So after clicking the next button, I'm going to scan the QR code of this camera to get it added.
Enter the camera name and address. Using default name and address can go to the next step directly.
Okay, now I have successfully added this device to the U-Box app. You can see here, first the device is powered on. The second here, the 4G network is successfully working, and also have this icon here showing that I've added the device. Now I'm going to change the device name to, let me say, Cam 1 Loaded. Cam 1 Loaded. Then the device location, I'm going to leave it as my home. Then I click on next.
Camera installed successfully. Fully charge the camera at first use.
So it's saying now camera installed successfully, full charge the camera at first use. I click on OK. So now this is the camera now showing online. Let me double click to view it. This is the cam. This is the cam. Right here we have mic. Now you can see that the camera is fully functional now. It's installed and fully functional. So thank you.